welcome back to my channel. Today is Monday, February 15th, and of course I am sitting in my car during lunch. Although I did not eat in here, I actually ate outside by the pool today, but I did half an hour by the pool, and then I'm doing my other half an hour in here. I'm so very sleepy. I had something very delicious that my daughter made. She made short ribs, which, as you guys know, is my favorite. And she made short ribs yesterday on Sunday, and she brought some for me today to have here at lunch. So I ate that, and she makes it with egg noodles, kind of mixes it all up. Very, very good. I don't know if that's what's making me so sleepy right now, or the fact that I probably didn't sleep well last night, as usual. Anyways, yeah, just wanted to say hey. Later I'll be going to Publix because I did not prep like I said I was gonna do last week for my dinner meals. So today I am making some kind of soup. I forget what it is, but I do know that no, I thought it was a bean soup. I know that it has sweet potato in it, so it's gotta be delicious. So yeah, so later when I get out of here, it's just a couple of things that I need to buy, not really too much. So when I get out of here, I'll be going by Publix, getting what I need, going home, and start the daily Monday through Friday routine. I hate routines, but there really isn't much any other way to live. Anyways, I will talk to you guys later. So peace out, guys. Talk to you later. Bye. Okay, guys, so I am home now, and this is what I'm gonna be making. It is healthy split pea soup. Here are all the ingredients. Here are the split peas, the carrots. It doesn't call for potatoes, but I'm gonna go ahead and put some potatoes in it. Onions, 1 onion. It has some turmeric, cumin, coconut oil, vegetable stock, a piece of garlic, and I bought this bread to eat on the side. And over here I have a little bit of a snack going on for me. I have some olives and some sausage. Oh, and also the soup has a sweet potato in there. And now I'm also going to make myself some boba tea. First thing I have to do is drop some coconut oil in here. Hang on, I need to get a little spoon to take it out.
in boba heaven. It's so good.
So the soup doesn't really call for potatoes, but I'm going to go ahead and put in maybe, well, for sure one, but maybe 2 potatoes just to make it a little bit more hearty. So I'm going to cut this up now. In go the potatoes. Smells so good in here. Next goes 1.5 of the split peas. And I just have this little bit left, so I'm just gonna pour it off. So this is what it's looking like. Now I have to put in here 6 cups of vegetable stock. So let's do that next. 1. This is 2. Cinco. And 6. Be right back. So in here I have a teaspoon of salt. Hang on. A teaspoon of salt, a 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon, oh no, I don't have the dill, I didn't have dill. If you guys are gonna make this, it takes 1 teaspoon of dry dill, a 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric, and a 1/4 teaspoon of cumin. Either way, I'm going to include this recipe at the end of the vlog. So I'm just mixing it, now pouring it all in. Super easy, super yummy meal, super filling, has a lot of veggies. Now all this has to be put into a blender and blended into a creamy mixture. I'm just waiting for the vegetables to get soft. In the meantime, where's my boba? In the meantime, I'll drink my boba while this boils. Okay guys, so the split pea soup is done. I'm letting it cool a little bit so that I can blend it. And then I'm going to top it with some seasoned croutons. And I have some multigrain bread and vegan butter on the table. So let's start pouring a little bit at a time. And mixing. Okay, I need a little bit more. Hold on, let me put the camera up higher. That's okay. It's just because it's really hot. Now I gotta clean up this mess. Not that big of a mess though. All right, let me finish blending all this and then I will show you how I plate it. I am whispering because I am at work. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.